Okay, today I picked out this ball. We're going to see what's inside of it. So I will unwrap it, see if I can do it on camera, maybe partly on camera. See what's inside. Okay, came off a little easier than normal. Get the next one. Okay, there we go. Now we gotta open it and see what's in it. These just come with the ball, they don't come with the table. I don't know how we will work those out. Straighten out these packages and then I'll open them up and we'll find out what's inside. I'm hoping these are the birthday cookies. This is your tools. Comes with let's see. This goes on the top of the ball. Like that. A little top goes up there. Alright, the main one has party pink something. And we've got, it's the cookies. It's the sugar cookies. That's what we had hoped it would be, because we were watching the clues of what you can get in each kit from where they have a pinhole in the package. And apparently this one was correct. This is the cookies. This is just your tray with paper. Place the paper. Okay. Tray. When you're working with these, you want to make sure you check all your packaging, because they put several things in one at once. There's some sprinkles. Okay. So this is the cookies. Birthday cookies. And it shows that we put our cookies, ice them, sprinkle them, and then put them in your tray. You gotta, when do you put the resin on them? Oh, okay. Then you resin them and put them on the tray. Okay. So let's see here. Knife. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this one. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put this on our cookies. little pink icing. Take this over here. Okay. Take these off. And I can spread these a little bit easier. Okay. See, these are very, very sticky. I'm not using any gloves. There isn't really much of an odor with this, so it's pretty much safe around kids, but it really needs an adult to handle it and let the adult get all messy. Add some of that. Okay. I may have too much icing on there, I don't know. Let's see what the picture looks like. Oh yeah, they got a little bit of icing on there. So I'll probably take some icing off of these. Okay, put that one there. Have this tray. Just want a little bit on there, I guess, not a lot. Okay. Clean up my hands here and let's move these all together. And then we'll sprinkle them with the sprinkles and worry about that mess later. Okay. Alright, now we're going to cure it. And it says it's going to need 10 to 15 minutes to cure, so we will come back when it's done. Okay, they're not all cured yet, but we're working on that. The sprinkles didn't quite stick. I probably should have pushed them down into it. And there we go. There's the cookies. They're very cute. I'll hot glue them down and clean them up, take a final picture, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.